Hello everyone, we are Victoria, Brian, and me, Bill. We are going to talk about competition between Korea and Japan. Korea and Japan has a lot of conflict between East Sea and the Sea of Japan. Each of them support that they has correct name. However, we support East Sea. Please listen carefully.
First, the importance of the EC can be seen in the profit of country. EC makes lots of profit like fishing and underground resources. Also, many of the maps and wars in the past were helping to support the EC. For example, the map of Russia, Bowen in 1780. A map of China, Martli in 1655. Also, many maps on 18th centuries too.
Even with all these supporting examples, some people say the nose to sea of Japan. Japan is the country that is rich and has many powers in the world. They are afraid of Japan's power than our Korea's power. Also, everybody knows about 625 wars. Our Korea and Japan has bad feelings each other. We didn't have any chance for saying our opinion. However, there are many supporting examples to say our opinion. They will think C has more consistency.
Did you listen carefully? So East Sea is the right sea. Thank you for our speech.